Living with a Turkish man is very interesting. You just have all the things that you've never seen in your life or eaten in your life. I'm thinking of making some food for my family here, and I think I know what I want to cook for them. Kids love soup, but I think they don't like this type of soup. For me, it's okay. So let me find something here. By the way, this is my small place where I keep my stuff. You can see all of them, they are here, and some of them they are from my mother-in-law. They made for us. All of these, they are actually naturally preserved. All of them, these are olives. All of them, these ones. Okay, so so I think I'm gonna make lentil soup for the kids, and for my Turkish husband, I think I wanna make eggplant stew. So without wasting any time, let's make the soup first. I'm gonna show you, but before that, let me make some coffee. This is some milk with sugar and Nescafe. I'm gonna add in some hot water. This one, lentil soup. What I'm gonna be using is one garlic. Actually, I'm gonna be using this one. I don't know if you guys can see, but one carrot, one garlic, one potato, one onion, and one red chili. That's enough for the soup. And also, I'm gonna be using some homemade tomato paste. Okay, so let me do this. Let me clean these ones first. Let me quickly do this. So the kids want some carrots, so I'm gonna give them.
Carrot.
Okay, go. Can you go away from the kitchen? I want to cook, and I'm watching you. I'll see what you're doing. So I'm gonna add a little bit of carrot. I'm gonna peel. So this is our onions. I'm chopping them. This is one garlic. I'm gonna try to chop them. No, I don't want them to be too much small. Just normal size like that. I love preparing my food first, like chopping everything first and then going in with other things. So for this one, we're gonna just make them like this, because we're gonna blend the soup. In Turkey, we call soup chorba. Lentil chorba. I'm gonna look for the word for lentils. I'm forgetting Turkish word. Learning Turkish words, it's interesting. So I think what I'm gonna do first is let me do this. Let me show you guys. Let me put the pot here. Take the olive and add on the pot. Okay. Guys, I don't have a lot of oil, so like I need to refill my cups for oil. So let me refill. I need to go and take some olive oil downstairs. I have here a few of them. So I'm gonna add in. The onions are ready. I'm gonna drop this is the easiest, this is the easiest meal or soup you can make for your family actually. So I'll give it a minute. It's gonna cook for a minute, and food is being cooked. I'm gonna add in the tomato paste. This amount. I'm gonna add in salt. amount of water and let it boil until it is all done. Now we need to add in our lentils. I'm going to wash them and add in. So I'm going to add in the lentils. I'll add in more water because I want it to boil very nicely and let it boil. So while that one is done, let's work on another thing, our main food, which is actually the eggplants. Let me remove these ones here so that you guys can see what I'm doing. I already washed them, they're super clean. And now I want to show you how I normally chop my, I don't know if you can see, let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so I remove the tail, and sometimes I normally peel some of it just like this. You don't need actually to do it, but for me I just prefer peeling some of these. It's gonna give it a very nice golden color when you are frying them. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I don't want to make them too much thin, so I'm gonna divide into 3 just to have cubes like these ones. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do, all of it. And then we're gonna deep fry them, okay, because we need that golden color, very nice. And I'm deep frying in the olive oil, like we were saying there, like some of the benefits of olive oil. Why olive oil? Why Turkish people love olive oil? It is because olive oil helps them in terms of actually their body functioning, and it actually helps in terms of actually cholesterol. It has low cholesterol, which is good for your heart health, and that's why you will see most Turks live long life, because they have been using what we call olives. They plant olive oil, they use them in their daily activities. Like olive oil is the main thing here, main crop here in Turkey. So it's a nice culture. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna show you some of the ways I normally use in the kitchen, actually how we normally use for breakfast, like the olives and the olive oil. I'm gonna show you guys, so stick with me for you to learn 1 or 2 things. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna drop them in the oil there. This is the oil that we want to drop. Don't know if you can see, I already preheated the pan, so we're gonna actually add in, let them fry to golden brown. Okay, so the kids want something, they want some, what do we call this one? Let me show you. So once you wash, because they have been preserved with some, what do you call, some with some salt, natural salt, and some, I'm forgetting the vinegar. I saw my mother-in-law making, so my little kids love this one. I don't know the English name. Tell me in the comment section. So we're gonna turn them, not to burn them, but turn them to the other side. So we're gonna take them off and put them aside here, because I think they are done for the next step. Now that we have everything done, they are ready to the next step. The next step is to make the sauce that we're gonna be using. Like, this is 1 onion. I'm using 1 onion because they are not too much, so you just want to slice everything. I'm gonna chop everything and then let you know. This is garlic, this is green sweet chili, this is paprika, or the red sweet chili. So for this red chili, I want to make slices, long slices like this. They're gonna be so yummy. Mustafa? We're gonna add in our garlic. And then we add in our red chilies. Yesterday I had some meat, small pieces of meat that were left. I'm gonna add inside here because it goes well with the eggplant. Okay. Angie, what happened? For a few minutes. So our food is almost ready. Guys, can you see how gorgeous it is? How yummy, 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 yummy. I can't wait to eat. The soup is ready, but we need to blend it. And meanwhile, we're gonna be eating this one with some yogurt. And then I have some traditional Turkish bread here. You see, it is like a stone. It's like a stone, okay? Very light, but like a stone. This is traditional Turkish bread, very yummy, very delicious. So what we normally do to make it eatable, or maybe eatable, or to make it be eaten, we dip inside water first. Okay, let it absorb the water. Like so. Actually, this tastes like ugali. If you're Kenyan, you understand what is ugali. It is similar to ugali. This one, I love it. It's so nice, so delicious. This is homemade Turkish bread. My husband loves it like crazy. So you just wait for 2 minutes for it to absorb all the water. Just let it sit there for a few minutes, and then it's gonna, when we come back, it's gonna be soft. So we're gonna blend everything. So this is our soup, very delicious. Not spicy because of the kids. but if you want, you can add in more spicy. One more last thing, I'm gonna add in butter. It's gonna make so much better. Let me add in some butter. So again, this is homemade butter. I'm gonna take a little bit, adding inside. The butter will make it actually taste delicious. Just leave it and then come back when it's done. You can mix everything together, but I think this is right consistency for the kids. It's not too much thick. Very delicious. I almost said very demure. What do you want, Adrian? What are you saying?
It's down.
What do you sneeze?
Tava.
Ama shimdu chok si chakani chimbekle bras. Tamam me?
Oh,
She wants, but I'm telling her to wait. It's very hot. This is the bread, and as you can see, it's super soft now.
What?